Welcome back to another video. Today we're on Lake St. Clair, fishing for some pike and maybe some bass if they bite. I'm not quite sure yet. I don't know what today has in store for us, but let's find out. Thanks for watching as always, and enjoy. On. Okay. Take it. A little bit bigger. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. About a pounder? Take it. See you, bud. Muskie? I might be on. I'm on. I have a muskie. No! Dude! First cast! I had a muskie first cast. Or is a big pike. It gets way clear out this. Like you can see to the bottom, like clear. But I don't know how far that is out there. So on. Oh, it's big. I don't know what this is. No, he spit it! He spit it, Eric. There's a pike. Eric! Muskie! Huge! Oh my god, I hope you can see that on camera. Huge muskie just came up to my bait. Come on. No! Oh, he's off again. Can't get him. Bro, what? You're the same size as the bait. The same size as the bait. Look at the guy. You bud. Yeah, I feel like we got more bites when we were closer in the shore.
I've got hit by a couple big pike, but
I know, that's happened to me too. What? Was it a rock bass? Yeah.
Had like spiky black bits on the back,
Yeah.
red eyes.
Yeah.
I just haven't seen a rock bass that big before.
It looked big. Oh, on. Good fish. That's pretty big. Yeah. Big pike. I can't get him in the net. He's too big for the net. Dude. But like he demolished my lure. Like it's gone. Look at it. Come on. Yo. Yeah, rock bass. Eric, you had a rock bass. Lure's the same size as him. I would normally grab this if it wasn't 30 treble hooks in there. Just shake them off. Nice. Oh no, that slammed it. He slammed it. Another big pike. Eric! Another big pike. A big one! Holy crap! Chill, bro. See you, bud. Holy shit, he's stubborn. Can you get a picture? Oh! Yeah! Not a bad one. Maybe a 3-pounder. Oh, Eric, it's big. It's a big large. Eric, this is a big largemouth. That might be a 2.5 pounder. 2.5 pounder right there, I think. Any 2-pounder? Not bad. All right, see you later, bud. See you, bud. See, that's how interactions with these fish should happen. I catch them, they don't struggle at all, and let me take out the hook without me getting hooked and it getting out of water too long. Yeah. No! No! I guess the pike's freighted my line. I'm really liking that lure. Man. Oh! Oh! No! No, he's off. What just happened? No way. That was monster pike. The bass. Not a bad bass. Not a bad bass. 1.5 pounder. Easy. You bud? Oh, it's big. It's a big one. Oh! This is the biggest one yet. Yeah. Oh, this is the biggest pike of the day, I think. It's a good chance. Oh my god, okay, dude. Oh! 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 Yo! That's a monster pike! Yo, dude! This might be the biggest pike of the day. Can you swallow it? Yo, dude, chill. I know! Dude! Look at the size of that pike! And look, he's got scars on him. That means that he's been attacked. Such a beautiful fish. Alright, bud. We'll see you later. No! I get it! Oh, I got it! I got it! No, I just scooped up my thing! Oh. Yeah! Let's go! Oh my god! 5 a.m. and we're heading back for part 2 of the St. Clair series. Hopefully we can get into some good fishing and get some good content today. Let's find out what today has in store for us. We're back out on Lake St. Clair. I'm just trying to paddle around this bay, see if I can catch anything. But today it's looking like a beautiful day. There's not too many clouds and the wind's not horrible. It's supposed to slow down later on, but hopefully it's not bad, but the less wind the better. Well, we're just gonna head over these weeds. Oh, there's gotta be something huge by this log right here. I guarantee it. Need this wind to chill out. Need to go in the weeds over there. On. This is a good one. Not a bad one to start the day. I'll take it. Not a bad little largemouth to start the day. He's using the weeds as cover. Not a little bad one. Oh, just jumped into the water over my paddle. On. Not a bad one. I'll take it. I'll take it. Another largemouth. Just been sitting on the bed. Not another bad largemouth. Oh, it's a dotty bass. Look at that. Not bad. There's a very big bowfin just sitting right there. I'm gonna try to get him. Oh my god, that's a huge bowfin. That's a huge bowfin. I just spooked him. Just sitting right there, just sleeping. Thought I could wake him up but I guess not. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Good pike? First pike of the day? Yes, sir. Oh, it's a walleye. Look at the boat. It's a big walleye. It's a walleye. What? It's a walleye. A big walleye. Damn, out of anything I was going to catch today, I did not expect a walleye. I mean, I'm in St. Clair, but still did not expect this. Today's your lucky day because I'm not like most fishermen. Nice little walleye. It's a cool catch. It's a cool catch. Here, bud, today's your lucky day because I don't want to eat fish today. So let's get back out there and get a little bigger. Gone. Come on. Come on, finally. Not a bad bass. Okay. Not a bad one. Not a bad largemouth. Good hook spot too. Largemouth. Not too bad. We'll take her. The one down in the book. Ready? bud. See you later. Come on. What's a good bass? Yes! That is a monster smallmouth. That was a largemouth. Come on. It's not bad. Easy bass. Easy bass. How big is this smallmouth? This is a monster smallmouth. That is a monster smallmouth. I gotta get a length on this. It's a big smallmouth. That is about 18 and a half inch smallmouth bass. Monster. Wow. See you, bud. Thanks again as always for watching. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and maybe liking and leaving a comment along the way. Thanks again. Stay tuned for the next one.